Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Explorer Active. Coming in this nice space white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Active Comfort package. Taking a look at the back here, you got a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera with a roof spoiler, roof rails as well, with some nice black trim along this vehicle. We do get blind spot detection. This vehicle does come with a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. A license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You got hooks and doodads, a 12-volt, and lights. Tons of storage. You do get your storage underneath, and to collapse your last row, all you do is just pull this lever, and they will go down automatically with tons of storage cubbies, hooks and doodads, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, all that jazz, and you just lift it up like that. To close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray leather interior, gray cloth with some orange stitching, plenty of door space in the back with leathering on the door, carpet interior. You got a step for the back, and to get to the back, all you have to do is just lift that up. Your seat can now go forward and back for your 2 additional seats. You got 2 captain's chairs in the middles with armrests, which is pretty handy and comfortable. Rear climate controls, 2 USB-Cs, 12-volt, and cup holders. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does have a powered driver's seat and the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got your lights and liftgate all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 7.5 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone, voice and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, trip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, and phone. And over here, we got our gear slick parking brake and drive modes, cup holders and storage. More storage here with an outlet. Into that nice 12-volt storage below. Got some storage here with your volume, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, hazards, and your backup camera. Traction and auto hold, storage below, your engine start stop, and looking here, you got a nice infotainment system that is going to be powered by Google. Climate controls all at the bottom. Dual climate up front, heated front seats, and steering wheel. Got navigation that is going to be powered by Google, phone, personal profiles, audio, AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You do get notifications, your vehicle settings, hill descent, brightness, valet mode, vehicle status, settings, and you can fiddle around with the vehicle like that too. And all your apps will be found in here: Play Store, Google Assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GA83793, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.